team, welcome to my channel. My name is Janet. Today's workout is only for 10 minutes and it's all standing and express cardio workout. That means everything we're going to be doing is aiming to lift the heart rate and get your body a little bit warm and maybe a little bit sweaty. No equipment is required for this workout, so just yourself and a bit of space in the house. All the moves are low impact, which means there is no jumping, so perfectly safe for the knees. In my video, I have chosen to do all the work with no shoes on. If you like to have a little bit more stability in the foot, feel free to put on a pair of runners, or you can join me in doing this all barefooted. As always, if you enjoy these types of workouts where it's all standing, maybe focusing on cardio, or it's just for 10 minutes, please let me know either way what you like and don't like and what you want to see in the future by leaving some comments below, liking this video if you enjoyed yourself, and subscribing to my channel, as it will really help my small channel to grow. Now find a bit of space in the house, team, and let's get started. Okay, let's get ready for your first exercise, warming up the body for your all standing cardio. First move is a wide step, and then the inside leg is going to tap back, as you can see in the video below. Step wide, tap back, step wide, tap back. So keeping it low impact, make sure you bend the knees. Make sure the step is quite wide if you can. And the leg that is on the inside is pushing behind you, and then arms reaching forward as the leg goes back. So think about making your body make a diagonal line. If this confuses you with the arms and legs at the same time, feel free, just do the leg part today, or as you get more comfortable, start to add in some arms later. Go step touch side to side as you're waiting for that 10 seconds. Next move is a double step touch with the inside knee lifting up, pulling the arms down. So 1, 2, draw. 1, 2, inside leg is coming up past the hips if you can. Arms are pulling down because it helps with that momentum. So as the knee comes in, the arms are swishing and you're twisting a little bit to the side of the knee that is coming up. So you're twisting always to the inside as you move side to the side there. Step touch side to side there. Alright, the next move is a squat with that right leg lifting and twisting. So step wide, lift to the side, twist to the side. So squat, leg lifts, then twist. So with the arms, if you want to, lift them above the head as your leg swishes out, and then you're twisting your body towards that right side, so you work your obliques at the same time. So exhale, drop, exhale, twist, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Alternating through those two moves nice and fast. Stay nimble on the legs. Using your big muscles there to push. And then every time the arm lifts above the head, it will help with lifting your heart rate up. Great, step side to side. In that 10 seconds, you are stepping, keeping the body moving. Next move is drawing the arms down and up. Knee comes in, arms pull down. Alternating through. So one foot always stays on the ground while the other one's lifting. That's why it keeps it nice and low impact. So there's always some contact with the floor, keeping the knees nice and safe. But of course still effective with raising your heart rate because you're moving big muscles, upper body, lower body together. Efficient way to work out there. Movers are quite fast. Of course, if it feels a bit too fast for you, feel free to slow it down, especially if you're new with these exercise routines. But it is designed there to lift and make your heart rate beat a little bit faster. step side to side there. All right, we're going to knee, ankle, and lift. Coming up on your tippy toes when you reach, as you can see in the video. So stand wide. You're tapping the hands to knee, ankles, lift. As I lift up, I do a little heel lift. Of course, if you don't like that because your calves don't like it or your knees don't like it, when you lift your arms, keep your feet flat. But I just like to reach up, just add a little bit more, sort of bounce through the body. A bit more extension, makes me feel tall. So breathing out as you lift, inhale as you come down. Because I'm trying to lengthen out my body, flatten my stomach in as my arms are reaching high above my head. Keep the body moving. Use that momentum to get your body moving the whole time at a consistent pace if possible. Good. All right, stepping side to side. All right, we're going to do the same thing as we did before on the right side, but just using your left leg now. So you come down into a squat, lift the leg, and then twist it out. Up and twist. So I'm going straight with the arm lifts. Of course, you can keep the arms down, hold them to the hip. But if you want to add that little bit of extra movement, extra cardio burn, start to move the arms with the legs. Once you're feeling a bit more coordinated. Knee comes nice and high up towards hip level as you're twisting your body towards that left side. Dynamic movement as you do the lift. Good. Step side to side there. All right, we're stepping out of a big puddle and we're switching the opposite hand down towards the leg. It's like a little skater movement. So jump over a big puddle. That inside leg sweeps behind the standing leg. So when you move to the right leg is balancing. When you step to the left leg will balance. Make sure there's a bend in the knees always. And we try to get down with the hands towards the knees, even to the shins. Some of you might even be able to get all the way down to the floor. Of course, you do not have to. One breath, one movement. Just keep that breathing going there. Your body likes the oxygen. Step touch. All right, we're going to do a knee up and a leg kick on the same side and then alternating. So one knee up, one leg kick. My arm punches up when the knee's bent and then goes forward with the leg when it's kicking forward. It's very cheerleader-ish. Those of you who have done cheerleading before, you may be used to this movement. If it feels coordinated because you're like, what is she doing with her arms and legs? Feel free to pop the hands down on the hips, right? And focus on the legs first. One knee, one kick, one knee, one kick. Knee up, knee kick. After a while, because it's quite repetitive, you will be able to figure out the arms and legs. Or feel free to repeat this bit if you need a little bit of moment and just watch what I'm doing. Good. All right, step touch. 2 more exercises to go. 2 more minutes of your cardio workout. If you've got more energy, let's step it up a little bit. So we're going to go a little bit deeper. Reach down to the floor. Reach up, down, up, down, up. Keep up the pace if you can now, because you've only got 2 more exercises, including this one, to go. So hands can reach towards the knees. Hands can go down past the knees, or your fingertips might even touch the ground today. Some people are very good at squatting low. You can totally go lower and move fast with that momentum there. Right, marching on the spot or doing a step touch. Remember, it doesn't matter what you do in the 10 seconds. You can even have a rest, or you can just keep moving whichever way. All right, this is your last exercise. I'm just turning to the side so you can see. Arm pushes back, arms reaching, arm pushes back, leg pushes back, arm reaches forward, alternating it through with the legs. But the two arms are going up and down, so that bit is quite easy. And then all you got to remember to do is swap which leg taps back, lightly on the toes. It is fast, it is vigorous, because it's your last cardio exercise here before we do a quick stretch. So I breathe out every time I step back. So breathe out, in, out, in, out, in, with my breath and movement going that way. Nice, team. 10 seconds, just step side to side. Start to slow down the body as we move into a march on the spot. Dropping that heart rate a little bit before we just do a quick stretch. Not long at all. All right, right leg steps behind the left and then lean over to the left side, arm reaching. Stretch out to the sides of the body, sides of the legs. Swap to the other side, left leg behind, the right, left arm lifted, lean to the right side, come back in. Alright, left leg is forward, reaching down towards the toes, straighten out the leg, hamstring stretch, and then left leg bends, right leg steps back. Try to get your heel all the way flat, stretch out the back of your hamstrings and calves. Then right leg in front, toes up, maybe reach the hands to the toes. Of course, you don't have to, depending on your flexibility today. And then step back with your left leg, heels flat into the mat. Nice. Give yourselves a clap. Thank you so much for joining me. And I'll hopefully see you on the next one. Bye.